Hey everyone, Mr. Kelly here. Super excited for the open house this week and just wanted to talk a little bit about what to expect when you come in the building. For any of our new students and families to the district, you want to show up this Thursday at 2:30 here at Sherwood. And 2:30 to 3, we will have a presentation in the gym for any new students and parents to the district. If you are in grade 5 this year, you want to show up at 3 o'clock. We will have self-guided tours from 3 to 3:30. Where you'll get a chance to check out your homeroom, look at your homeroom lists, and like I said, meet some new friends. And then immediately following that at 3:30, you'll go to the gym for an iPad presentation. If you're in grade 6, you want to show up for Sherwood around 3:30. You'll do your self-guided tours at that time and then head to the gym around 4 o'clock for your iPad presentation. When you get here, just some information you can expect to see. You're going to get a packet, and one of the things you're going to have is a map of the school, which looks like this, and it has all the team colors and the homerooms and whatnot. This is what's going to help you get around the building. So all you need to know is what team you're on, and this map will help you get to that location so you can access your homerooms and also figure out what friends might be on the homeroom list. You're also going to get a brochure that looks like this. A lot of helpful information here just about the first few weeks of the school year, start times, dismissal times, who are the people that can help me around the building, the nurses, the administration, counseling, things like that. And then the last thing you're going to get is tech tips for parents. This will be super useful for you during the first few weeks of the year as you're trying to navigate your new iPad. So that's it for me. Like I said, super excited to see everyone this Thursday. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to call the office at 508-841-8670.